नमस्कार भाइयों बहनों। जैसा कि आप सभी लोगों को पता होगा, यूकेपीएससी द्वारा उत्तराखंड अपर पीसीएस प्रीलिम्स की प्रोविजनल आंसर की जारी कर दी गई है। आशा करता हूं कि आपने अपने जो भी आंसर्स एग्ज़ाम में मार्क किए थे उस आंसर की से टैली कर लिए होंगे। इस वीडियो के माध्यम से मैं आपको दो तीन चीज़ें बताने की कोशिश करूंगा। पहला तो हम उन सभी क्वेश्चंस पे भी डिस्कशन करेंगे जिन पे ऑब्जेक्शंस फाइल करने चाहिए या आप लोग उन पे कर सकते हैं। सेकेंडली, जितने भी ये क्वेश्चंस हैं उन सभी को मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगा और इनके ऑप्शन से जो जो क्वेश्चंस बन सकते हैं और जितनी एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन हो सकती है वो भी मैं आपको इस वीडियो के माध्यम से दूंगा, ताकि आगामी जितनी भी परीक्षाएं हैं उनमें अगर आयोग द्वारा सिमिलर टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं तो बहुत हाई चांसेस रहेंगे कि आप उसका सही आंसर मार्क कर पाएंगे। साथ ही मैं इस वीडियो के अंत में एक कट ऑफ एनालिसिस या प्रिडिक्टेड कट ऑफ भी आपको बताऊंगा, जिससे जो बच्चे बॉर्डर लाइन पे या जो सोचते हैं उन्हें मेंस की तैयारी करनी चाहिए या नहीं करनी चाहिए वो भी इस बारे में क्लियर हो सके। तो चलिए आइए शुरुआत करते हैं अपने जनरल स्टडीज़ उत्तराखंड पीसीएस अपर प्रीलिम्स के सेट बी की प्रोविजनल आंसर की। पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शेड्यूल्स ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया कंटेन्स प्रोविजंस रिगार्डिंग एंटी डिफेक्शन एक्ट। तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 10th शेड्यूल। दिस वाज अ वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट इज, हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स आर इलेक्टेड फ्रॉम लोकसभा फॉर पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी। देखिए, पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी हमारी न्यूज़ में थी बिकॉज पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी को रिसेंटली 100 ईयर्स हुए थे और रिगार्डिंग द सेम एक न्यूज़ भी बहुत चल रही थी दैट 100 ईयर्स कंप्लीशन हो चुके हैं पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी की। इसलिए इस पे क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेड था। साथ ही मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि कई बच्चों ने इसको क्वेश्चन ढंग से पढ़ा ही नहीं। दे डिडंट रीड दैट यहाँ पे लोकसभा लिखा हुआ था। टोटल स्ट्रेंथ होती है पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी की 22, जिसमें से 15 होते हैं लोकसभा के एंड 7 होते हैं राज्यसभा के। इसमें पूछा गया था लोकसभा से कितने मेंबर्स होते हैं, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी, विच इज़ 15। Next question is, the Congress declared complete independence for India as its goal at which session? A very basic question. This is 1929. Jawaharlal Nehru presided over this session. 1929 Lahore session. When was the Hindi version of national anthem Jan Gan Man was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India? That is 24th January 1950. Among the following, who was the first president of Human Rights Commission of India? This was Justice Anganath Mishra. Who among the following was the first Lieutenant Governor of newly created Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir? This was G.C. Murmu, option B. To whom the Chief of Defence Staff is military advisor on tri-services matters? This is Defence Minister of India. A question was expected because of the demise of our late CDS, General Vipin Rawat. In which year the International Labour Organization was founded? This was 1919. Right to property belongs to which category among the following? देखिए, राइट टू कैटेगरी टिल 1978 was placed under the fundamental rights, but by the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978, this was moved away from the fundamental rights and it was made a legal right. So as of now it was a legal right and hence the answer is a legal right. Who among the following chairs the zonal council? This is the Home Minister of India. If a panchayat is dissolved, elections are to be held within 6 months. Option C. Next question is question number 12th. In which year the SARC summit for the first time was held in India? It was held for the first time in India in 1986. देखिए, सार्क पे एक ना एक क्वेश्चन देखा जा रहा है कि आयोग द्वारा पूछा ही जा रहा है डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में। एंड लेट मी टेल यू, सार्क वाज फॉर्म्ड इन 1985 इन ढाका, बांग्लादेश, एंड its headquarters or secretariat is located in Kathmandu, Nepal. This is also very very important, can be asked. साथ ही सार्क ऐसा भी पूछा जा सकता है कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ मेंबर ऑफ सार्क। तो देर आर 8 members of सार्क. You should remember all the 8 members and then go for your exam whichever is scheduled in the coming days. Which of the following constitutional amendments is related to the formation of National Commission for Backward Classes in India? This is 102nd Constitutional Amendment Act. 101 is GST. This is also important. What is the tenure of a state legislative council? This is 6 years. Prime Minister of India, when the basic principle of India's nuclear doctrine of no first use was adopted. This is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. On which date the Civil Services Day is celebrated in India? This is April 21. When was Central Information Commission established? 2005. In which year the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was enacted? This is 1981. Next is the number of Rajya Sabha seats. If you know that Uttarakhand has 3 Rajya Sabha seats, then your answer is sorted. Uttarakhand has 3, B matches to 3, B matches to 3, your answer is option D. Next question is question number 20. Who among the following has the right to participate in the parliamentary proceedings? This is Attorney General of India. The Uttaranchal Change of Name Act came into existence in which of the following years? This is definitely 2006. Many people are saying that we want to raise an objection regarding this, but I don't think इसमें कोई objection work करने वाला है. It is very clear. 1 जनवरी 2007 से उत्तरांचल changed to उत्तराखंड. तो जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द एसेंस ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. एक्ट कब आई होगी इसके लिए एग्जिस्टेंस में? इट वाज इन 2006. 2000 और 2003 तो हो नहीं सकता ये, बिकॉज बहुत बैक डेट्स हैं. So answer to this will be definitely 2006. The state of Uttarakhand came into existence on which of the following dates? This was 9/11/2000. Who among the following was the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand who declared in the Legislative Assembly that Gairsand would be the summer capital of Uttarakhand? This is Trivendra Singh Rawat, option A. Which one of the following commissioners of Colonial Kumaon and Gadwal introduced revenue police system? देखिए, this is one important question wherein you can file an objection, because इसमें जो पूछा गया था कि who introduced revenue police system was GC Trail, GW Trail, George William Trail, and the source for this, in which it is mentioned clearly in one line, is a book by Sri Ajay Rawat ji, which people read in Uttarakhand while they are preparing for competitive exams. And if you want to file an objection, you can definitely file an objection on this particular question, and I'm sure that in the revised answer key, this will benefit you who all have taken this to be wrong. Next question is, how many members are elected from Uttarakhand in the Lok Sabha? This is 5. Tobin tax is levied on. This is levied on your foreign exchange transactions. Who regulates agricultural products in India? Again, an answer which has been given by UKPSC in a very wrong manner. In the answer key, they have mentioned the answer to be A, which is Essential Commodities Act, which is definitely wrong. 100% objection is demanded on this question. You should definitely raise an objection, because the answer to this is Agriculture Produce Market Committee Act enacted by the states, which is option B. So आई एम श्योर दैट इन द रिवाइज्ड आंसर की ये आपका जो क्वेश्चन है ये रिवाइज हो जाएगा. और जो लोग सोच रहे हैं कि उनको बोनस मिल जाएगा बिकॉज दो आंसर पहले कुछ आंसर था और कुछ आंसर अब और हो जाएगा, तो ऐसा नहीं है. रिवाइज्ड आंसर की में जो आंसर गलत हैं वो आयोग उनको ठीक करके दे देगा. सो अकॉर्डिंगली यू शुड कैलकुलेट योर मार्क्स एंड आप किसी भी भ्रम में ना रहें कि हमारे मार्क्स इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे या बोनस मिल जाएगा. दिस इट बी ऑप्शन बी. Which of the following is not correct about National Development Council? It includes Chief Minister of all states. Definitely true. It is a non-constitutional body. Definitely true. देखिए non-constitutional body ऐसा कोई आर्टिकल है नहीं जिसमें National Development Council mentioned हो. For example, आपका UPSC is a constitutional body. Election Commission is mentioned. There is a particular article for that. Finance Commission is mentioned. Article 280 is the article for Finance Commission. इट इज़ अ स्टैचुरी बॉडी. नो, इट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट अ स्टैचुरी बॉडी. बहुत बच्चे बोल रहे हैं कि इसमें तो हम ऑब्जेक्शन फाइल कर देंगे. देखिए, जो ऑब्जेक्शन फाइल कर रहा है उसे आप करने दें, क्योंकि आप उसे एनीवेज स्टॉप कर नहीं सकते. बट लेट मी टेल यू, a standard source for polity questions which most of the people follow in our country is a book by Lakshmikant, and it is clearly mentioned in it that it should meet at least twice in a year, though I know that this has been defunct since a very long time, since the new government came into power. But again, as has been mentioned clearly in the static portion of our theory, the answer to this will be it should meet at least twice in a year, and इस पे objection करने का मुझे कोई sense लग नहीं रहा. In which year the number of women members of parliament was the lowest in Lok Sabha? This was in 1977. Next question number 30. आई गेस हम पे इसके इंग्लिश वर्जन नहीं है क्वेश्चन 30 का, तो लेट अस डिस्कस इट इन हिंदी ओनली. अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मुद्रा कोष IMF के बारे में क्या सही है? यह किसी भी देश को कर्ज देता है, या सिर्फ विकासशील देशों को कर्ज देता है, या सिर्फ सदस्य देशों को कर्ज देता है, या देश के केंद्रीय बैंक को कर्ज देता है? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी, या सिर्फ सदस्य देशों को कर्ज देता है, या इट ग्रांट्स लोन ओनली टू मेंबर कंट्रीज. एक मुद्रा के मूल्य में वृद्धि दूसरे की तुलना में है. मुद्रा का कमजोर होना, मुद्रा का मूल्य ह्रास होना, मुद्रा की मूल्य वृद्धि, मुद्रा का अवमूल्यन. देखिए, ये डेफिनेटली आयोग द्वारा इसका गलत आंसर दिया गया अपना प्रोफेशनल आंसर की में. इस क्वेश्चन को आप जरूर से ऑब्जेक्शन फाइल करें, बिकॉज इसका आंसर जो होगा वो होगा आपका मुद्रा की मूल्य वृद्धि, विच इज एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ अ करेंसी. आयोग द्वारा जो आंसर दिया गया है वो है वीकनिंग ऑफ अ करेंसी, विच इज नॉट एट ऑल ट्रू इफ यू गो बाय द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स. एंड जिसने NCERT पढ़ी है उसको क्लियरली पता होगा दैट दिस आंसर इज रॉन्ग. सो क्वेश्चन 31 ऑफ सेट बी, यू शुड डेफिनेटली फाइल एन ऑब्जेक्शन. निम्नलिखित कथनों में से कौन सा कथन सही है? मुद्रास्फीति बंद पत्र धारक को लाभ पहुंचाती है, मुद्रास्फीति उधार लेने वालों को लाभ पहुंचाती है, मुद्रास्फीति स्थायी आय समूह को लाभ पहुंचाती है. इनमें से कोई नहीं. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन बी, मुद्रास्फीति उधार लेने वालों को लाभ पहुंचाती है. दैट इज इन्फ्लेशन बेनिफिट्स द डेप्टर्स. 1991 के आर्थिक सुधार के बाद भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था में निम्न में से क्या परिवर्तन हुआ? जीडीपी में कृषि का हिस्सा बहुत बड़ा है, एफडीआई का अतः प्रवाह बढ़ गया है, विदेशी विनिमय कोष में वृद्धि हुई है, दोनों बी एंड सी। तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका दोनों बी और सी। स्वेट इक्विटी शेयर्स निम्नलिखित में से किसे आवंटित किए जाते हैं? तो ये आवंटित किए जाते हैं आपके कंपनी के कर्मचारियों को, तो आंसर वुड बी ऑप्शन डी। राष्ट्रीय खाद्य सुरक्षा मिशन की शुरुआत किन वस्तुओं के उत्पादन को बढ़ाने के लिए की गई थी? गेहूं, चावल, दालें या सभी? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन डी, यह सभी। भारत में किस प्रकार की कर प्रणाली पाई जाती है? प्रगतिशील, अधोगामी, अनुपातिक, प्रतिगामी। देखिए, इसमें बहुत बच्चों को डाउट था एंड इवन मुझे भी बहुत बड़ा डाउट था, बिकॉज आई नो दैट द टैक्स सिस्टम दैट इज फॉलोड इन इंडिया इज प्रोपोर्शनल एंड प्रोग्रेसिव. Progressive is pragatisheel and proportional is anupatik, right? But let me tell you, the answer given by UKPSC for this is adhogami, which is digressive, and I think to an extent that this is correct, because when you combine both these terms, progressive, pragatisheel, and proportional, anupatik, a combined term for that is digressive, that is adhogami. But again, this is when you talk about the tax system in general, and this doesn't hold true when you talk about GST or an indirect tax. So again, an objection, those who feel that they should file an objection, they can go forward towards an objection in this question. निम्न में से कौन सी योजना रोलिंग प्लान कही जाती है? इसमें भी बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं जी, इसमें तो ऑब्जेक्शन होना चाहिए, बट आई डोंट सी एनी सेंस ऑफ फाइलिंग एन ऑब्जेक्शन इन दिस, बट एंड आई एम श्योर दैट आप ऑब्जेक्शन फाइल करें ना करें, इसमें बराबर रहेगा, बिकॉज द आंसर वोंट चेंज. दिस इज 6th 5 ईयर प्लान. एनएनपी निम्न में से कौन सा कथन सही है? एनएनपी इक्वल टू जीएनपी माइनस घिसावट व्यय, एनएनपी इक्वल टू जीडीपी प्लस विदेशों से प्राप्त शुद्ध आय माइनस घिसावट व्यय. ए तथा बी दोनों सही हैं, इनमें से कोई नहीं. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन सी. 11वीं पंचवर्षीय योजना में प्रतिपादित समावेशी विकास में निम्नलिखित से क्या शामिल नहीं था? गरीबी को हटाना, रोजगार के अवसरों का विस्तार, लैंगिक असमानता को कम करना, पूंजी बाजार को मजबूत करना. इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका ऑप्शन डी, पूंजी बाजार को मजबूत करना. अ डायरेक्टली रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन वर्ड बाय from UPSC Civil Services examination. Next question, question number 40 is the World Trade Organization is sometimes criticized for all of the following reasons, except that it has no way to solve trade disputes among member nations, it is puppet of multinational corporations, it reduces the sovereignty of member countries, it favors free trade over quality of products. इसका आंसर आयोग द्वारा जो दिया गया है, मुझे भी लगता है इसका आंसर होना चाहिए, it has no way to solve trade disputes among member nations. इस पे भी जो स्टूडेंट्स बोल रहे हैं वो बोल रहे हैं yes, there should be an answer, another answer to this, and it would be it reduces the sovereignty of member nations. If you find a credible source to highlight your stance, I am sure that you can go for an objection on this question, but ऐसे केस में ये नहीं होगा कि आंसर A से चेंज होकर C हो जाएगा, since multiple answers would then be correct for this question, so this question would go in a bonus in that case. So only if you find a credible source and you feel that आपका selection 1-2 नंबर से रुक सकता है, you should go forward towards an filing an objection in such questions. Next is primary deficit is 0, then the amount of borrowing will be, this would be just equal to the interest payment. Gender equality index was introduced in which human development HDR of UNDP? This is HDR 2010. What is the human development rank of India in the human development report of UNDP in 2020? This is 131. In which year the following latest classification of MSME was done? This was 2020. What are gilt-edged securities? These are government securities. MIGA, multilateral investment guarantee agencies related to World Bank Group. Which of the following are abolished by GST? This is value added tax. Which of the following organization is located in Uttarakhand? This is HAL. CBRI, Central Building Research Institute, is in Roorkee. ONGC headquarters are in Dehradun. BHEL is in Ranipur, Haridwar. So your HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, is not in Uttarakhand. Which of the following is not an example of foreign direct investment? The acquisition of existing textile mill overseas, the creation of wholly owned business firm overseas, the purchase of bonds or stocks issued by pharma company overseas, the construction of a new steel plant overseas. So the answer to this will be purchase of bonds or stocks issued by pharma company overseas, which is option C. Next question, question number 50 is how many hill districts of Uttarakhand tea development program was carried out during 2020-21? This is 9. Lowest number of branches in Uttarakhand year 2020-21. इसका आंसर जो आयोग द्वारा दिया गया है, this is option D, district cooperative banks, and I am sure this is the correct answer, because if you search and do your own research on this, you will find a document जिसमें cooperative banks की संख्या 289 and regional banks की संख्या 287 दे रखी है. But let me tell you, ये जो 289 cooperative banks की संख्या है, ये टोटल कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स की है, सिर्फ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स की नहीं है. सो इसका आंसर होगा आपका डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स, विच वुड बी डेफिनेटली लेस देन रीजनल बैंक्स. हु इज नोन एज फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स? दिस इज ग्रेगोर मेंडल. रामसर साइट्स, wetlands of international importance. Nobel Prize in Chemistry, this is your option number C, which is Benjamin List and David Macmillan. 26th UNCC COP26 held. This is Glasgow. Logo of WWF is giant panda. Highest civilian award of Republic of India is Bharat Ratna, and let me tell you, this was constituted in 1954. Remote sensing uses which of the following applications? This is electromagnetic waves. इस क्वेश्चन में भी अब लोगों का कहना है कि इसका सोनार वेव्स भी आंसर हो सकता है, बिकॉज दे कैन फाइंड इन सर्टेन बुक्स दैट सोनार वेव्स ऑल्सो फाइंड एन एप्लीकेशन, दैट रिमोट सेंसिंग यूजेस सोनार वेव्स टू. अब देखिए, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द एसेंस ऑफ द क्वेश्चन विद विच इट इज बीइंग आस्क्ड, एंड इट इज वेरी क्लियर दैट रिमोट सेंसिंग यूजेस डिफरेंट स्पेक्ट्रम्स ऑफ योर इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स. तो इसका जो मोस्ट कन्विंसिंग आंसर मुझे लगा व्हेन आई वाज इन द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, इट वाज इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स, and then therefore I ticked that. But yeah, if you again find a credible source wherein you think that answer might be changed, then it would be sonar waves. But again, as I said, if you find a credible source and you know UKPSC approves it, then this question would be bonus. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि D change करके B हो जाएगा, then it would be a bonus question. Joom is a type of agriculture substance with a large number of free electrons and offers low resistance is conductor. In which year BAT was introduced in Uttarakhand? This was in 2005. Next question, question number 62 is, who are known as pluggers of the soil? This is earthworm. Scurvy disease is deficiency of vitamin C. Sperms for artificial insemination of cattle are liquid nitrogen. Cellulose belongs to carbohydrates. Two bacteria found useful in genetic engineering are Escherichia coli and Agrobacterium. Transition zone between two biological communities is ecotone. If any one input is high and output is also high, then gate is what? तो यहाँ पे गेट आपका हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा और, बिकॉज 1 के साथ आप कुछ भी रख लो एंड द गेट इज और, देन योर आंसर वुड बी और. नेक्स्ट इज 69. सी, फॉर एनी वन हु हैज ऑप्टेड फॉर ह्यूमैनिटीज स्ट्रीम फ्रॉम क्लास 11th ऑनवर्ड्स, आई थिंक दिस इज नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल दैट दे वुड इवन नो इसका मतलब क्या है, ये जो गेट्स हैं. जिसने कंप्यूटर्स पढ़ी है 11th-12th में, बिकॉज 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक तो गेट्स मुझे नहीं लगता किसी बोर्ड में पढ़ाए जाते हैं इंडिया में. सो लेट मी टेल यू द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. दिस इज एन और गेट. ऐसे ऊपर पूछा गया कि जब भी एक भी आपका इनपुट 1 हो तो इसका आंसर और गेट से 1 ही आएगा. यहाँ 1 आ गया, यहाँ से जो भी आपका आउटपुट आया, बट अगेन और गेट है तो और गेट के साथ फिर से 1 गया तो इसका आंसर 1 ही आएगा. सो द आंसर टू दिस विल बी 1. IP addresses are used on which layer of OSI model? This is network layer. Primary memory in computer system is RAM. Function of control unit in CPU. This is definitely decode program instruction. People are, I don't know why they are getting confused on this and they are saying that, you know, we'll find an objection on this. As I said, objection करने वाले को कोई रोक नहीं सकता, but still to be very sensible, option B, perform logical operations, is a function of ALU in CPU, which is arithmetic logical unit and not of control unit. So as per my opinion, the correct answer to this question would be decode program instruction, which is the function of control unit. Light travels with the maximum speed in vacuum. Question number 74. At which place in Uttarakhand did Indian Meteorological Department install a Doppler weather radar? So the first Doppler weather radar was installed in Mukteshwar in Uttarakhand. Second one was installed in Surkanda in Tiri district, and the third one was installed in Lansdowne. You should know these locations as well. Question from current affairs. Forest Research Institute was established in 1906. Kedarnath Wildlife Sanctuary has been established for conservation of Himalayan musk deer. State tree of Uttarakhand. A very basic question is Burans. Nobel Peace Prize 2021. Maria Ressa and Dmitry Muratov. First Indian woman to climb scale Mount Annapurna is Priyanka Mohite. A question from current affairs. India's highest civilian honor Bharat Ratna was awarded to late Shri Lata Mangeshkar ji in 2001. Mitali Express, a new passenger train which was inaugurated recently, connects Dhaka with which Indian city? This is New Jalgaiguri. The World Beneath His Feet is the biography of Pulela Gopichand. Which Indian documentary was nominated for Oscars 2022? This is Writing with Fire. Next question is, which state has launched the Student Startup and Innovation SSIP 2.0 in January 2022? This is Gujarat. A question from current affairs, and as I had said in my earlier videos as well on my channel, that एक ना एक स्कीम स्टेट से रिलेटेड वो जरूर आपके पेपर में पूछते हैं, एंड हेंस अ स्कीम वाज आस्क्ड. दिस इज गुजरात. हु इंट्रोड्यूस मैती मूवमेंट इन उत्तराखंड? दिस इज कल्याण सिंह रावत, KSR. Next question is question number 86. Who won World Rapid Chess 2021? This is Nodirbek Adusatrov. When is the World Ozone Day celebrated? This is 16th September, and let me tell you, the unit for measurement of ozone is Dobson unit. Question that can be asked. Which of the following newspapers won Pulitzer Prize in prestigious public service category? This is the New York Times. Which is not rightly matched? PV Sandhu bronze, that is true. Bajrang Punia silver, no, this is not correct. Hence this will be the answer, because Bajrang Punia was awarded a bronze medal. Major Dhyan Chand Sports University is established in Meerut. In December 2020, the Home Ministry declared which of the following states disturbed area for 6 months under Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958? This is Nagaland. Which of the following railway stations of India has been recently developed with modern amenities like airport with public-private partnership? This is Rani Kamlapati Station, Bhopal. Name the unique strategy adopted by Northeast Frontier Railway to keep wild elements away from railway tracks. This is Plan B, which is option B. Next question is question number 94. Where did the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi lay the foundation stone for the largest airport in Asia in November 2021? This was in Jewar, Noida. Answer would be option A. Famous Ganga Sagar Mela. Ganga Sagar is in West Bengal. Option B will be the answer. Which of the following films won Golden Globe Award for Best Motion Picture Drama 2022? This is The Power of the Dog. Next question is, dances are given and states are given. I am sure you must be knowing that a very famous Kathak dancer, late Shri Pandit Birju Maharaj ji, passed away recently. Kathak is the dance of UP. B matches to 1. There is only one option like this, and the answer to this will be option C. Next question is, your companies are given and list of CEOs is given. Hence your answer to this will be Twitter matches to Parag. So C will be 3, and the answer is option B. Next question is question number 99. Which of the following place first Gen Council was held? This was Pataliputra. Book written by Harshvardhan is Priyadarshika. Female king Rudrama Devi is associated with Kakatiya dynasty. Leelavati was written by Bhaskaracharya, and he was a mathematician. Religious text which explains about 8 different phases of agricultural works is Milandipanu. Ratio of gold silver coins in Shaka Kshatrapa period is 1:35. Gadia is a coin. Udayaranjiyal belongs to Chera dynasty. Rashtrakuta ruler who constructed Kailash temple of Ellora is Krishna I. Mauryan period pranayam was, let me tell you, pranaya, as can be seen in different books, was an emergency tax, not pranayam, which definitely changes the meaning of the question. Hence an objection can be filed in this question. Rashtrakuta king who defeated Pratihara ruler Nagabhatta II is Govinda III. Hazar Dinari is Malik Kafur. Not the rival of Iltutmish is Malik Altunia. Largest hymns of Rigved dedicated to Indra. Question number 113 is, who wrote Khazain ul Futu? This is Amir Khusro. Not a member of Noor Jahan's junta is Mahabat Khan. Not a member of cabinet mission is John Simon. Financial decentralization was introduced by Lord Mayo, directly mentioned in a very famous book of modern history, that is Spectrum. Two brothers, Gangaram and Khivdev, were martyred during Salt movement in Uttarakhand, which was a part of Quit India movement. Hence answer is D. In which language famous work of Raja Ramonoy, Gift to Monothesis, was written? This is Persian. Anashakti Yoga was written by Mahatma Gandhi in Kausani. Ruler of Tihri state at the time of its merger in Indian Union is Manvendra Shah. First ruler of Tihri state is Sudarshan Shah. Definitely an objection will be filed in this question, and this will be improved in the revised answer key, as आयोग ने इसका आंसर आपका दिया है ललित शाह, which is definitely wrong. Kalu Mehra is associated with revolt of 1857. Not the source of history of Uttarakhand is Babarnama. Equator does not pass through Mexico. South Indian tradition developed during Vijayanagar is Yakshagan. Question number 126. Longest surface mountain is Andes. Where Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meet is Nilgiris. Not flow in North Atlantic Ocean. This is Venezuela. Second largest island of the world is New Guinea. Is not correctly matched. Winds and the region where they flow. Pora doesn't flow in Siberia, whereas Fohin, Mistral and Khams in Egypt are correct. Which of the following rivers is the second largest river of the world? This is Amazon. Not an example of metamorphics. This is Dolomite. Plateau lies between Aravalli and Vindhya is Malwa Plateau. Bowl of sugar is Cuba. Not the tributary of river Satluj is Ravi, which also flows through Lahore. Who said vegetation is the true climate of index of climate? This is Köppen climate classification. Layer of atmosphere not included in homosphere is ionosphere. not located in the continent of Africa. This is Guyana, which is in South America. Next question is Pittsburgh of India is Jamshedpur. Matyatila Dam is located on river Betua, and this has been repeated from lower PCS paper of 2021 conducted recently. HVJ pipeline doesn't have which of the following gas pumping station? Answer given to this by UKPSC is Guna, as can be seen on a map that can be found on the web. But again, if you have a credible source wherein you can prove that this is wrong or multiple options are correct to this question, then you can go for an objection in this particular question, as this was a little bit confusing. Highest sex ratio in 2011 among the following options is Tamil Nadu. Which of the following island not a part of Laccadive Island? This is Tilanchong. Köppen climate change classification for Great Plains of India is CWG. District of Uttarakhand with international boundary is 5. Districts of Uttarakhand recorded negative population growth during 2001 to 11 as per census 2011 is Pauri, Gadwal and Almora. A repeated question from previous question papers of UKPSC. Govind National Park includes the source region of Tons River. And this is one question wherein people are getting confused. But let me tell you, अगर यहाँ पे सिर्फ यमुना mentioned होता, Tons नहीं होता, then maybe you could have gone for Yamuna. But clearly mentioned है source region of Tons River, which is Rupin Supin. This lies inside Govind National Park. No chance of an objection in this question when clearly mentioned है यहाँ पे Tons River. So your answer would be option D. Which of the following places is not associated with Sidkul? Rudki, Selakui, Sitarganj, Haridwar. This would be Rudki because other three places, all the places Sidkul is there. Khair, Ketichu is a tree of which type of forest? This is subtropical forest. Again, people are searching it directly on Google and then coming up with some sort of conclusion. But let me tell you, there is no chance of this question being revoked or getting a bonus, because I am sure lower PCS में जिस तरीके से बोनस दिया गया आयोग द्वारा, उससे भी आयोग कुछ सीखेगा, बिकॉज उनके लिए फिर से कुछ बच्चों के लिए उनको मेंस के लिए पोर्टल खोलना पड़ा. बट दिस टाइम आई एम श्योर दे लर्न फ्रॉम देयर प्रीवियस मिस्टेक एंड इस तरीके के अनावश्यक बोनस नहीं दिए जाएंगे. जो भी क्रेडिबल सोर्स उन्हें लगेंगे और जहाँ पे डेफिनेटली बोनस की नीड फील होगी, वहीं पे बोनस दिए जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर आवर पेपर इज कोदरमा इज फेमस फॉर माइका. And with that, let me give you one additional information. Mica, the largest producer of mica in India, production of mica is done in Andhra Pradesh. This is a very important question and has been asked before in a FRO paper of 2021. So with that, we come to the end of our discussion of our Uttarakhand PCS upper prelims paper. I hope you liked this video. And as far as cutoff of this paper is mentioned, let me take my guess, or let me give you my prediction. I feel that the cutoff for this particular paper of Uttarakhand PSC for general category, general male, would be 92 plus minus 2. So anybody falling in this range must go for mains preparation right from day one, since you know where you stand by now. So all the very best, keep learning, and do go through all the previous year papers which have been put by me on my channel, so that you know अगर इससे कोई question for future में repeat होता है तो आप उसका सही आंसर मार्क कर पाएं. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep learning. All the very best. Thank you.